Representatives from Nemos Strategy LTD recently presented their support solutions to the senior officers of the Hellenic Army General Staff, Gamma Epsilon Sigma, for the Philoctetes armored vehicles. This meeting marked a pivotal moment in the deepening collaboration between Nemos Strategy LTD and the Hellenic Army, as they discussed vital maintenance and logistical support services to ensure the Philoctetes vehicles remain operational and ready for action. The Philoctetes is an upgraded version of the Infantry Combat Vehicle (VBCI), developed by the French company Nexter. Tailored to meet the specific needs of the Hellenic Army, the Philoctetes offers a blend of advanced technology and versatility, designed to perform in diverse environments. Whether it's urban combat or open terrain, this armored vehicle is built to adapt and succeed in a wide range of military operations. Equipped with a T-40 remotely operated turret armed with a 40mm CTA cannon, the Philoctetes brings superior firepower while minimizing risks to the crew. It can also carry Akeron MP anti-tank missiles, further enhancing its ability to neutralize armored targets from long distances. Weighing in at 32 tons and powered by a 600 horsepower engine, the Philoctetes excels in both performance and durability. Its rugged design ensures it can handle the toughest conditions, while its mobility allows it to excel in modern combat scenarios. But it's not just a combat vehicle, it's a multi-role asset, adaptable for peacekeeping, humanitarian missions, and more, making it a crucial part of Greece's military modernization efforts. The presentation by Nemos Strategy LTD emphasized the importance of reliable logistical support to keep the Philoctetes vehicles in peak condition. Effective maintenance, regular inspections, repairs, and system upgrades are essential to ensure the vehicles continue to deliver maximum performance in the field. In addition to support services, Nemos Strategy Ltd will also provide training for Greek maintenance teams. This ensures the Hellenic Army can manage and maintain the Philoctetes fleet independently, improving operational efficiency and vehicle availability. This collaboration is part of Greece's broader strategy to modernize its armed forces, addressing growing geopolitical challenges in the region. With an ongoing focus on enhancing defense capabilities, Greece is ensuring that its military remains prepared for future conflicts. By partnering with specialized companies like Nemos Strategy Ltd, Greece can guarantee the long-term effectiveness of its next-generation armored vehicles, such as the Philoctetes. Ultimately, this partnership will help keep Greece's Philoctetes armored vehicles operational, strengthening national defense and reinforcing Greece's strategic position within NATO and the Mediterranean region. As global security continues to evolve, this collaboration ensures that Greece's military is ready for whatever challenges may lie ahead.